What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our weekly watch list going into September 2020. Well, we're getting into the hot time of year. I know we haven't really had much of a downplay in stocks this year with the election infection kind of drawing people out of work and into the markets. This has been good for experienced traders who took advantage of this, and they've made a lot of profits over the last couple of months. But now is when the real traders start getting into the market. September, October, November, and December. So I want everybody to kind of buckle down, do their homework, do a lot of studying, and get yourself ready for the time to make some real good money over the next month or two, maybe the next 3-4 months throughout the end of the year. So we're in the final quarter of the year of 2020, so it's time to buckle down and make some grip. I'm going to talk about a few stocks for this watch list that I'm going to be watching this week. One listed stock, the rest are going to be OTC stocks. Most of them I have mentioned. The one listed stock that we're going to be talking about is Sphere 3D, ANY. This stock closed at $2.30 on Friday, up 30%. This stock has under 5 million float. This company actually delivers containerization, virtualization, and data management solutions via hybrid cloud. Their portfolio of brands include HVE Connections, ZICX Connections, and Snap Server, dedicated to helping customers achieve their IT goals. They will be presenting at the LD 500 virtual conference on September 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern to discuss their business and also the merger with Rainmaker Worldwide. So they do have a merger in the works. This is what I do like about the company. Typically, companies that are doing mergers get a lot of attention, and with this having such low float, I can see this stock getting some attention and spiking quite significantly up to that conference and possibly through the merger. So I'm sure September 5th we'll be finding when that merger does happen, or getting a finalization date and getting a good update on their business. A lot of guys expect good things, so I see this stock having a pretty good week, and that is ANY Sphere 3D. There's a OTC stock. I did not mention this stock on my OTC Saturday. I wanted to bring this up because this does have some catalyst this week, and this is Asia Broadband, AABB. This stock closed at 0.0117, so a shade over a penny. This stock was up 160% on Friday, so it was up significantly. This is a resource company focused on the production, supply, and sale of precious metals and base metals, primarily to the Asian markets. Their primary base of operation is out of Guerrero, Mexico, and then they use this to distribute to the Asian markets. On Tuesday, September 1st, their wholly owned subsidiary, Asia Metals, will be releasing the results from their $4 million drill program. The company is anticipating that their production numbers will triple, and that's toward their drill program in 2020. So compared to 2019, they're looking at almost 3 times the production and the revenue. And Bloomberg's bull market gold trajectory could accelerate to about 3,000 an ounce. So as they're mining gold, this could definitely be a good thing for this company. Like I said, the stock is up over 300% in the last 5 days, 160% alone on Friday. It's nearing its 6-month highs of 0.0124 and 1-year highs of 0.0135. So once it breaks those highs, there could be some blue skies. It could be a nice breakout. So I do anticipate that there could be some run up to that release on September 1st. So I would definitely keep my eye on AABB. Now, the other stocks I'm going to be talking about are stocks I talked about on Friday, Saturday, and last week, but I definitely still have them on my radar for next week, so I'm going to make this quick. The first stock is ZICX. Now, ZICX, their company tweeted that the OTC markets cleared them to file their statements to bring the company current in their financial and disclosure filings. They had a huge run on Friday, and I anticipate that this could continue throughout the week. It's a very cheap stock, under 2 pennies, and I do expect that this stock could move a little more, so I would keep my eye on ZICX. I did bring up this company and mention them on my OTC Saturday video. Another stock that I'm going to mention is a stock I mentioned last week. It's a stock I called out on Thursday as an OTC runner, and gave you my kind of idea of where I see this stock going. That's BANT. As we know, this is the company that put out the robot disinfectants with the UV lights, the sprays, to actually do a presentation for a Connecticut school. This stock closed very strong on Friday. It had a pullback on the open to a penny and a half, rode all the way up to 4.75 cents, then pulled back down to a little under 3 cents, and then closed strong, going to 0.039, so just a shade under 4 cents. With the strength that this thing closed, I do anticipate that there could be some more eyeballs on this, pumpers pumping this thing up, so I would definitely keep my eye on BANT this week as a stock I like. And then finally, we all know what stock this is. This is ALYI. This stock closed significantly higher on Friday, but it closed very strong. On Wednesday, they do have a conference, so I do anticipate that there will be an anticipatory run-up to that conference. They had some really good PR a couple times last week, especially on Friday, about the financing that they're procuring. And I do expect a gap up on Monday morning for ALYI, and I do expect this stock to run. As we all know, this stock has no resistance up to 5 cents. So this thing had a breakout on Friday, closed right at its highs, and I do anticipate this thing possibly testing those highs of or that resistance points of 5 cents. If this thing breaks 5 cents, who knows where it goes? This thing can skyrocket. But even at resistance at 5 cents, I will be looking to possibly take some profits there around 5, and then watching to see if this thing can break that 5 cents. If it can break 5 cents, we don't know. I mean, just look at DSGT last week. This thing broke some highs, and on Monday this thing shot up all the way up to 27 cents. From where I call it out, it's a shade over 7 cents. So we know these electric vehicle plays can garner some momentum. So I will definitely be keeping my eye on ALYI. As we all know, I am in that play over the weekend, and I do anticipate this stock having a good week next week up to that conference. One last little stock I just want you to keep an eye on is DSGT. I'm not going to be touching them unless they come out with a PR. Keep an eye on them. Put them on your watch list. Keep on checking these guys throughout the week. If they have a PR, this stock will go up. Again, they have some bag holders, but again, people in this EV market, they're going to be looking to make some profits if this thing starts running. I anticipate these bag holders kind of putting that bag on their back and letting this thing run to see if they can put a profit on it. So also as a just a last wild card flyer, keep an eye on DSGT. So again, those stocks we're watching this week. The listed play is ANY 3D Sphere. The OTC stocks are AABB Asia Broadband, ZICX ZICX Corp, BANT, and ALYI Alternate Systems, and then wild card will be DSGT. Let's have a good week this week, guys. And as always, please like, please share, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be putting out a video tomorrow, kind of recapping, what I went over today, and possibly some more plays for further in the week. You guys have a great day. Be blessed, and let's get that money, traders.